Today we're going to measure the speed of light. I mentioned this to someone down the hallway and they said, don't we already know the answer to that? And the answer is yes, we do. This is something that was done at MIT as a fun technology demo in the 1950s and 1960s. I gave a demo to and a tour to an MIT class of 1960 graduate who mentioned in passing that there used to be these open houses at MIT.
Doc Edgerton had a course called instrumentation. One of the experiments was, I guess, what you're reproducing now, measuring the speed of light down this infinite corridor. He had an oscilloscope with a light source and a mirror here and down there.
And one of the demos they did with Professor Doc Edgerton was measuring the speed of light by sending it down and back the infinite corridor. We're here on the 3rd floor of MIT, and we're going to show that same experiment, this time done with lasers instead of a flash. One path of light goes off of this piece of glass, which sends a little bit of the light through here. Then it dims it because it's a little too bright, and that goes to a photodetector right there. We start the same race, and we take light that goes through here, it reflects off this mirror, and then it goes all the way down to the end of the infinite corridor, and then reflects back all the way here. It gets shadowed a little by the mirror, and then it gets focused by this, back down. We split the runner in two. This is the short path of the runner going just 1 meter, and this is the long path. And I'm going to cover up the long path just so you see it's a live demo. So no long path, yes long path. And the time difference between those is how long it takes to go down the infinite corridor and back. From the oscilloscope, we can see that it took 1.361 microseconds to travel that distance. So if we put both those numbers into our spreadsheet, we see that we've calculated the speed of light to within 0.5% of what we know the right answer to be.
The spirit of the Edgerton Center was to provide for students opportunities to do fun hands-on things, which Doc was famous at. So we're trying to do that again today.